Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to join the event of the Beyond the Clouds on the Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and then if you already in the lobby you can go to Clouds or Beyond the Clouds over here. And if you want to get the reward, you can simply share the event by clicking share over here, and then you can and then over here you can choose you want to share to Facebook or Instagram. For example, I want to share it to my Facebook, and then click the Facebook icon, and then click next, and then click share. And done. And here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you think this video was helpful, you can click like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.